Okay, once again, my name is Noel Booker with Business Credit Builder. And let's see. Amina, mute your mic, please. Thank you.
Oh, yes, sorry.
Okay, my name is Noel Booker with Business Credit Builder. And what we do at Business Credit Builder is we help entrepreneurs and small business owners build their business credit and access funding. Today, we're going to talk about the different financing options that are available to small business owners. Okay. On my screen, you should see my desktop, and we are right at my website. And we are at the business loans page on the website. Okay. So y'all can follow along. Okay. Now, before we get started, I want to tell you all about the 3 C's, right? The 3 C's of funding. And the 3 C's is definitely what lenders are going to look at when you fill out an application, all right? The 3 C's are credit, cash flow, and collateral. These are the 3 C's of funding. Now, if you have all 3 of these 3 C's, then that means you can possibly qualify for an SBA loan, okay? If you have 2 of these 3 C's, then you can possibly qualify for a term loan or an equipment loan. If you have 1 of these 3 C's, then you can qualify depending on which one of the 3 C's that you have. You can qualify for funding that pertains to that particular strength that you have, okay? If you have none of the 3 C's, then that's when you start building business credit so that you can qualify for some funding, okay? That's the 3 C's, right? So with that being said, let's move forward. So my new funding partner is ROK Financial. We're going to go over some of the products that ROK Financial has, okay? One thing about them is that they empower the heartbeat of our country, the small business owners. We have the best business financing options for your business. We have a limited paperwork, monthly payment options, low rates, longer terms, and funding in 1 to 3 days. And we are also trusted by Trustpilot, okay? It's a fast, simple process. We have various business products, including term loans, SBA loans, business lines of credit, financing, equipment financing, okay, and more, okay? And this is straight from the website. The website is businesscreditbuilder.us, and I am currently on the loans page, business loans page, right? Now, if we scroll down some more, here goes information about our credit line hybrid program. This is where you can get up to $150,000 in unsecured, no-doc credit cards for your business, even when the banks say no, okay? In order to qualify, here goes the qualifications. You need a personal guarantor. You need to have business owner or guarantor with at least a 685 personal credit score. The business owner has to be without bankruptcy, liens, judgments, or late payments. Less than 3 inquiries in the past 6 months. No more than 4 to 5 inquiries per the Bureau in the last 12 months. The lender prefers, but is not required, an established business credit over 3 to 4 years old, primary accounts, less than 30% balance on all business and personal credit cards, established personal credit report over 3 to 4 years of old accounts on primary accounts, no more than 4 secured accounts opened in the past 12 months, okay? Now, the terms of this, the approval amount is typically 4 to 5 times the largest credit card limit on the personal credit report. Many credit cards offer a promotional 0% interest rate for the first 6 to 1 year. The APR is usually around 15 to 29%, and there's a success fee of 9.9%. Okay, now that is our credit line hybrid program. Okay, so this is for people that have good personal credit and they want to get access to money now, and they want to help build their business credit. Okay, that's the hybrid program. Okay, now we're gonna go down into the ROK product playbook. Now, you can get this playbook straight from the website, okay? So just click here to download, and we're gonna do that right now, right? Here we go. We're gonna click it, we download it, and here it comes. This is the foundation of business finance, the ROK product playbook, and we're gonna be going through this playbook, okay? Okay. Now that you have the information, you can, and you got the you downloaded the product playbook, you can follow along with me. Okay. Okay. Term loans. Similar to traditional bank style financing, a term loan is a set amount that a borrower pays back a fixed amount. The common uses for these types of loans are business expansion, working capital, and equipment purchases. This is for the term loan. Here goes the benefits of the term loan. The interest on loan is tax deductible. That's a good positive right there. No prepayment penalties, lower cost options, stable daily, weekly, monthly payments, reports to the credit bureaus, which can improve your business credit, and flexible options, okay? To qualify, you need 6 months in business, 120,000 in annual gross sales, and no minimum FICO scores required. Now, let me add to this that lenders want to see that you make at least $10,000 a month, because that's what businesses do, okay? So if your business is not making $10,000 a month or $120,000 in a year, you might not be ready for a loan, okay? Now, if you have good business credit and personal credit, then that may offset the fact that you don't have the cash flow, okay? Because that's the cash flow part, right? You need to have $10,000 in deposits every month, okay? That's cash flow, right? That's one of the 3 C's, okay? Loan amounts for this particular product is $10,000 to $5 million. The terms are from 6 months to 10 years, and it usually gets funded within 1 to 3 days, okay? And then that is the term loan, all right? Let's go to the next product that we provide. We also do SBA loans. An SBA loan is a government-backed loan that can be used for starting and expanding a business. The loan has certain requirements for eligibility, such as size standards, providing the ability to repay and a solid business purpose. So with the SBA loans, I'm going to tell you, this is the best money that you can get for your business because they're going to give you a lot of money. They're going to have the interest rate is going to be as low as possible, and they spread it over time. And that's why the SBA loans is the best money that you can get for your business. But most of us can't qualify for that because you have to have all the 3 C's, and you have to have good personal credit, and you need a whole bunch of other stuff. Okay, let's go over some of the stuff. Here goes the benefits of the SBA loan. Well, I just told you some benefits, but here goes some more. Fixed and variable options, monthly payments, terms up to 25 years, prime rates, government backed. Government backed meaning even if you do not pay for the loan, the bank is going to get their money. That's why the interest rate is so low, because even if you do not pay the loan, the bank is going to get their money. Okay? To qualify, you need $120,000 in gross annual sales, 3 years time in business, no loss on previous 2 years tax returns, and financial requirements. So you need financial statements, business plan, all that stuff. Loan amounts are up to $5 million, up to 25-year terms. And this one takes a little bit longer to fund. It takes about 90 to 100 days to even get funded for this, okay? Business line of credit. A business line of credit provides flexibility for the business owner rather than a fixed amount issued at one time. Funds can be accessed as needs arise. Funds are made available again as the balance is paid down. Okay? Benefits of business line of credit. Only pay interest on the funds drawn. Your credit is available as needed. Draw as many times as you need. And there are fast approvals. Okay? To qualify, you need 6 months in time in business, $120,000 in annual gross sales, and a FICO score of at least 600. Okay? Loan amounts are from $10,000 to $5 million. The terms are 6 months to 10 years. Excuse me. And this usually funds in 1 to 3 days. Okay. Equipment financing. Equipment financing is for when you want to buy machinery for your business, vehicles or fleets of vehicles. This is all equipment. And there are businesses that only do equipment financing. Businesses utilize equipment financing to purchase business-related equipment. Obtaining these assets can be through equipment leasing or equipment financing, which doesn't require businesses to pay out of pocket large amounts of cash, ultimately freeing up working capital within the business. The unique benefits of equipment financing are monthly payments, multi-year, long terms, low or no down payment, and there's tax benefits that relate to Section 179. You can do some research on that. So there's tax benefits in regards to equipment financing, okay? Qualifications. There's no minimum FICO, no minimum time in business, no minimum revenue, 580 FICO score. Okay, this one's pretty easy. Okay, loan amounts from $10,000 to $5 million, 1 to 5 year terms, and this usually gets funded within 1 to 5 business days. Okay? Accounts receivable financing. Accounts receivable financing is when a company will sell or finance off their outstanding invoices for working capital. It can either be in the form of selling the asset to the lender or using the accounts receivable invoices as collateral for the loan. So my clients that have freight companies use what they call factoring. It's the same thing, okay? So this is for businesses that can sell or batch and sell their invoices, okay? The benefits of accounts receivable financing is that you get typically lower interest rates. It doesn't require other collateral than your accounts receivable. The ability to factor new accounts receivable as they become available. Okay, so when you get new invoices, you can batch and sell them as well as the ones that you have already batched and sold. Okay. It saves time for collecting your receivables and opens up cash flow. So with this, like the freight companies that do this, right? The freight companies, they got a truck and they make a delivery. They're going to invoice out to get paid for that delivery, but it's going to take them 30 days to get paid, right? So with factoring, accounts receivable financing, they get paid in 24 hours. And then then they take on the collections aspect of it. So with this, you don't have to spend time on collecting invoices. They do that. You get your money right away, okay? To qualify, you need $500,000 in annual gross sales, a 600 FICO score, and an aging report is required. The aging report is your list of accounts receivables. Loan amounts are equal to $10,000 to $5 million. The terms are from 6 months to 10 years, and this funds in 1 to 5 business days. Okay, we also offer franchise financing, okay? Franchise financing can be used to open a new franchise location or assist with your franchise mandated updates at a lower cost, okay? So if you're in a franchise already and you need to update your mandates, right? If you need to start a franchise, we can get you financed, okay? The benefits of franchise financing is the ability to start a franchise, obtain new startup cost assistance, purchase equipment, cover infrastructure costs, and the qualifications are just to have a 640 FICO score, okay? 640 FICO score. The loan amounts are from $10,000 to $5 million. The terms are from 6 months to 10 years, and the funding within 2 to 7 business days. Merchant cash advances, okay? Merchant cash advances. A merchant cash advance isn't technically a loan, but rather a cash advance that is paid back by withdrawing a percentage of your credit sales, typically on a daily basis, okay? The benefits of merchant cash advance is you fully customize your based on business needs. So depending on the business and what the needs are, they customize this product for you. No compounding of interest. Funds can be used for any use, and the payback is based on sales of the business. okay? So how you pay back is based on the sales of the business, right? So this one's kind of flexible. The qualifications are you need to be in business 6 months, $120,000 in annual gross sales, and no minimum FICO score is required. The loan amounts are from $10,000 to $5 million. The terms are flexible, and usually you can get funding the same day. Okay. So that was our presentation, and I want to make this clear to y'all also, is that today's broadcast is being brought to you by Verizon Business Accounts. We now have a dedicated and trusted person to assist with your telecommunication needs and obviously help with the main goal here, business credit. When you get a Verizon business account, it reports to the Dun & Bradstreet and credit bureaus. They offer cell phones, laptop, business internet, mobile internet, tablets, watches, virtual office numbers, and more. They are the largest and most reliable network to run your business on, and they can also assist moving your personal account into a business account. To find this page here, you just go to the website and go businesscreditbuilder.us/Verizon, and you can get your Verizon business account today. Okay? Just fill out this little form there, and boom, you in there. All right? And they'll take care of you. All right, now, let's go to my contacts. My contacts are, let's just go to my contact page here. I don't usually do these webinars straight off the internet like this, but here we go. Okay, so here goes the contacts, right? Telephone number, email address, right? The email is noel@businesscreditbuilder.us. Don't forget that we have a new podcast that's called Business Credit is Real on Spotify, so you can check that out. We also have a blog. Hey, check out this blog right here. Right, we're gonna go over to the blog. Come on, baby. Come on to the blog. He's acting crazy today. Well, I think what it is, I'm online and run slow. Okay, so this is the blog, and we got tons of information. Okay, you see all these articles? Here go the top articles that we posted lately. Top options for $20,000 loans if your company has been in business. How to maximize credit to unlock the full power of your credit. How to use tier 2 business credit vendors to survive inflation. But there's a whole bunch of stuff in there. So make sure y'all go in there and get all this stuff. You see all these pages? We just got tons and tons of information. All right. Okay. So one thing I do want to bring to your attention, make sure y'all get your free guide on how to build business credit by going to the website. You see the button there that says free guide. You go to businesscreditbuilder.us/free guide. If you want to talk to me about our company helping you build business credit and access funding, you would go to businesscreditbuilder.us/consult and get a free business credit consultation. And if you think you qualify for a loan now, you would go to businesscreditbuilder.us/get funding and see how much you qualify for right now. Okay? Does anybody have any questions before we get out of here? I think that's it for the day. No questions? We got a few people in there. Any questions, anybody? Anybody have any business credit questions? If not, today was a short webinar. And we're going to get out of here. If y'all got no questions, y'all can raise your hand, open up your mic. You can chat in the chat box. Anybody? We got something up here. Let's see what's going on. I will reach out personally. All right, Derek. You can schedule that business credit consultation at businesscreditbuilder.us/consult. All right. I appreciate y'all coming out. I hope this was good information for you. And I didn't waste both of our times. But once again, everybody, thank y'all for coming. Thanks to Verizon for sponsoring and presenting. Anybody else have anything to say?
Yes,
Mr. Brooks. All right, Mr. Brooks, go ahead. Rock it.
Hey, yes, I was able to catch for the gist of most of the information you were telling me is very helpful. I did have one question. When it comes to business credit and the interest rate, if you have multiple business entities already, does that increase your interest rate at all to when you open up another, let's say I'm opening up a third business credit, will that increase my credit just because of the fact that my prior businesses I have? Will that increase my interest rate when it comes to it?
Not necessarily, because each business has its own revenue stream, and each business, just like each person, has their own risk factor. So each business is different. Each business, when a lender looks at your business, they're looking at what industry you're in and what you're trying to buy, right? Because what you get funded and your terms is affected by the industry of your business, right? So each business is separate. So the positive thing to your question is that each of your businesses can get their own source of funding. It doesn't group all into one and make you more powerful. It does make each business, it gives you access to funding for each business. So what you would do is you set up a track record of on-time payments for each business. Each business is separate, okay? I hope I answered that question.
Yes, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. And business credit is like a step-by-step process, right? Each step in building business credit is needed for the next step. So make sure you check out my YouTube, because I have other videos, other webinars that I've done that teach you how to build business credit, okay? And we do these webinars about once a week. So register for the webinars, and this is where I answer questions openly. I just answer questions, whatever you need to know. We run it, all right, in these webinars, all right? All right, we don't have nothing else to talk about, no questions or nothing. We're gonna end this out. I'm gonna give y'all some homework, right? Y'all go and check out, make sure you get your free guide. You can check out the blog, check out the YouTube and all the social medias, right? Okay, we're gonna call it the night. Everybody have a good day, and peace and love, all right? Holla at your boy. Oh, if y'all watching this on YouTube, make sure y'all subscribe, comment, and like. All right. Got somebody. Okay, Maria, she said you would like a copy of this. Okay, so this broadcast will be on YouTube in about a day or two. All right, so go to the YouTube, subscribe. That means you will get a notification when this broadcast is uploaded, okay? So you go to the website, and at the website, you see up there, there's a There's a YouTube button right there on the website. You should be able to see that, right? Okay. Y'all have a good evening. Appreciate y'all taking your time out to get some info. All right. Peace and love.